Good day, researchers. This is Sir Joash from Research Department, and I will discuss the process flow of statistical treatment of your gathered data. To start the process, your group must first submit a request letter to your statistician signed by your research advisor, and your letter will be sent via email. Once accepted, your group can consult your statistician about the alignment of the data treatment. You are encouraged to accomplish the statistical treatment of your data ahead of time. Also note that your group should be the one to adjust to the schedule of your statistician. Your statistician will check the raw data and its treatment. Further, he or she will also check if the treated data answer your SOP. Once the treatment is done, your statistician will explain the treatment applied and how will your research group will interpret it. After applying the changes in your paper, you will return your paper to your research advisor to check what you have applied. Lastly, your research advisor will give you a go signal for the next step. For more information, you can check your research manual about the process of statistical treatment. Once again, this is Sir Joash, and in research, we provide excellence, service, and integrity.